Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close, beyond what the naked eye can see? Prepare to be amazed, because today we're diving into a world where science meets art. The stunning universe revealed under the microscope. We're talking about unbelievable colors and textures, a hidden beauty that will change the way you see the world. Microscopy is a powerful tool, used by scientists to explore the incredibly small. But what often gets overlooked is the artistry involved. The way light interacts with the sample, the techniques used to prepare and capture the images. It's all a form of art. And the results? Absolutely breathtaking. Let's start with color. Did you know that many things we see as colorless actually boast vibrant hues when magnified? Take a look at a butterfly wing. What appears to be a simple, delicate structure explodes into a kaleidoscope of colors under the microscope. These colors aren't from pigments, but from the way the wing's surface interacts with light, creating a phenomenon called structural coloration. It's like nature's own light show. Now, let's talk about textures. Imagine the surface of a common housefly. Up close, it's a landscape of intricate patterns, tiny hairs and complex structures. Or consider a single grain of sand. Under the microscope, it transforms into a rugged terrain, sculpted by wind and water over millions of years. Every detail tells a story, a testament to the power of nature's artistry. What about the human body? A cross-section of skin reveals layers upon layers of cells, each with its own unique shape and texture. Blood cells, like tiny, colorful discs, navigate through our veins. These images aren't just scientific data. They're works of art, revealing the beauty hidden within us. This intersection of science and art isn't just about pretty pictures. It's about a deeper understanding of the world around us. By exploring the micro-world, we gain insights into complex processes from disease to evolution. It inspires curiosity, sparks creativity, and reminds us of the incredible beauty that surrounds us, if we only take the time to look. So the next time you have a chance, take a closer look. Explore the microscopic world. You might just find yourself falling in love with the art of science.